Dive into the captivating world of Progressive House with JC Hung's latest sonic journey. Where you at JC Hung Progressive House? In this tutorial, we're dissecting the intricate layers of this Progressive House masterpiece, revealing JC Hung's signature production techniques that make this track an immersive sonic experience. Step 1. Understanding the foundation. Notice how JC Hung masterfully crafts a driving rhythmic backbone. We'll explore the kick drum programming and the subtly evolving hi-hat patterns that create that undeniable forward momentum characteristic of Progressive House. Next, we delve into the melodic heart. JC Hung's ability to weave emotive synth melodies is a key element. We'll break down how he uses layering, filter envelopes, and subtle LFO modulation to build tension and release, creating those unforgettable melodic hooks. Atmospheric textures are crucial for immersion. Observe the use of reverb and delay synths, creating vast soundscapes. We'll examine how JC Hung incorporates subtle ambient pads and FX to add depth and a sense of spaciousness to the mix, perfectly complementing the driving rhythms. Finally, we'll look at the arrangement. JC Hung expertly builds and releases energy throughout the track. Witness the intelligent use of breakdowns, build-ups, and drops, ensuring a captivating journey for the listener from start to finish, truly embodying the essence of Progressive House.